Deleting an AutoDS account is permanent, removes all stores, products, orders, and data with no recovery. Cancel subscription first to stop billing, monthly or yearly plans. Process takes less than 10 minutes via dashboard. Support may require email confirmation. Steps: cancel subscription. Log into AutoDS.com, profile, top right, settings, billing, cancel subscription, confirm, access until cycle ends. Access, deletion, same menu, scroll to account, click delete account, bottom, red text. Verify. Identity, re-enter password plus 2FA code, if enabled. Confirm reason, select option, like no longer dropshipping. Check I understand data loss, delete account. Final email, AutoDS sends confirmation. Click verify deletion link, valid 24 hours. Done. Account erased in 1 to 3 days. Email confirms.